Dial *144*8# to recharge your MTN account with 10 Rand airtime or more to stand a chance to win a share of prizes worth up to the value of 8 million Rand. And don't forget to subscribe. Danko. Welcome to my fans onto TV. It's the MTN semi-finals. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Stellenbosch 1. I'm joined by the one and only Hustler.
My brother,
how are you?
Yeah, big up to Wheatbank branch.
Yes.
For Lana.
Yeah.
I'm good, my brother. I'm not happy.
About?
I'm not happy about everything, Fetch. About everything, the system. My brother, ngathi kuzokosa singene thina sikhoje.
Yeah. Over mangoba.
Yeah. Ayikho lento le. Ayikho lento le idlalayo lo baba lo. Ayikho. It started with Phulukwane City.
Yes.
We accepted.
Yeah.
Ngoba iPhulukwane City sithi asiwini nakhona nge-on goal.
Yes.
Uyabuya namuhla uthatha uShikabala. Uyayiphinda the very same thing uthatha uShikabala umbeke ebenchini. How can ubeka uShikabala ebenchini and ubona uShikabala mangena wenze impact egamini?
Yes.
Yini into lekutshela yona ngalomuntu lo muntu intention yabo nayo Steve Kompela yini intention yabo?
I don't know.
And uManqoba was there before.
Yes.
Rulani.
Yes.
Angeke solo sikhuluma ngoRulani uhambile.
Yeah.
Mara inhliziyo zethu ziyababa. Angeke solo senziwa so and we're going to be a laughing stock less in the Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
Because bazojabula bengihleli supporter we Kaizer Chiefs. Bengihleli nawo bebahleka. Bathi yini lento le? Yini lento beyiziwa iSundowns namuhla? Baqale manje ekugcineni ukuthi ngatazama bafuna ukukora bafuna ukatheka benzani
But it's late.
It was late already lokanje ikorile
Stellenbosch.
abona leyo ukuthi bathi soba nepatient angeke ivumele leyo
Never.
angeke
Never.
ngivumela umuntu bekakhona ngizovumela umuntu bathi uyafika ubuya phesheya uyafika usaqala maybe lo bekakhona hleli uhlala hleli nje so nanamuhla wasukumanga bekusola ukubizisuma lo mngani wakho uzidakela uSteve Kompela abiza khomba sikazi khomba wenza umuntu lo wahlule iKaizer Chiefs Steve Kompela wahlule iKaizer Chiefs wahluleke bamthatha umlandile yabona manje uthi ufuna ukusebenza namacoach ahambule akahlala abangani bakhe bahambule mara ngangelanga angeke baphume la stadium nasi
Ngeke baphume.
angeke abasibuze uHilisto Stockvok
Yes.
asangaphuma
Yes.
unili skin
Yes.
ngiyabona nibancane nibazi bafana
Yeah.
unili skin
Yeah.
azange baphume la becoach ubuya Barcelona waphuma kabuhlungu la lana uzophuma kabuhlungu elinye la thina asifani neKaizer Chiefs ukuthi uzokhona ukudliwa 10 yonke balandela uyakhula soluyeze stadium thina inhliziyo zethu yabona into sibona muhle mina that's why bengicabanga ukuthatha i-decision ukuthi under this two leadership angeke ngisenze stadium until bastage uBenny McCarthy because ngiyezwa bathi iManchester Mrizi sifuna uBenny McCarthy abuye la Benny McCarthy must come home under this two leadership
Angeke kulunge.
asangeke ngisenze
Ngeke kulunge.
manje bantwana bengiza ngizobukela le nonsense beyenzeka
Dodi.
lento beyenzeka la
Dodi.
yini lento beyenzeka la
Dodi.
labantu abasirespect lapha
Ubiza uhlelo nto so. Waqala nayo na coach.
akasukuma
Coach.
usukuma umuntu oyi-1 umngani wakhe athi
Kompela.
uye Golden Arrows bubuye bekabekhotshana bomuntu ikhanyeza abangani babo bakuyadlalwa la lexi Golden Arrows le they must start to respect this badge ledlalwa le bafuna ukusponsorela labo sikomoto labaqale badliwa day in day out bafenza khona hlala e-stadium eGolden Stadium asibo sikomoto thi bazophuma nzima nganyelanga la kunzima kithi inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu namanye ngiyabuyela eMpumalanga ngisuka ekudeni ngibhadala imali yabantu abami ngizobheka i-football
Yes.
ngizobheka le nonsense I'm going back to Mpumalanga. They must sit down. That's why Tibos, if you recap last time we interviewed them now ngathi labantu abangibaniki task
Sharp.
ngibaniki task I'm not happy against Phulukwane City almost Phulukwane City skip ngabasikho la namuhla
Yes.
Phulukwane City nabedlala yona namuhla
Yes.
Onyango wazama amaplan wakhe Chawukoti yazama sahluleka uJohnny February wazama ukuvimba sasurvive manje sibuyile silekora igoleni 1 ekhaya
This is unacceptable.
angeke ngivumele into le mina ngithi Benny McCarthy
Must come back.
must come and esizwile amaroom athi uselalela
Yes.
ya siyabezwa uyeza uBenny and ngathi angafika delete yonke le technical lele la
My gosh.
azibizele technical Yeah, because asho no brother Nabi usibiza technical team yakhe babeze bonke. Now Ben une right ukuthi nakafika la adilizela abantu abayi2.
bahamba umkompela noma Nqoba
I development yakho shama under 19.
man of the match bona hustler man of the match
goalkeeper we Stellenbosch asas. Look ufundile. Yeah. Anamuhla ngivele ngahlala ngathula ngathi du. And Marinto ngifuna ukuhlala ngisho. Laba abantu Chambers wanemdala. Le age labathu Chamazwana ukile abathule ngoba ibhola abakasebandla shikabalo sesene energy nalo Hugo Bros lo wamvalela kuba fana kuzala uyambiza uyambiza manje Tito Maswanga izo refresh Chamazwana ambulance asesowethu lehamba iphelele Tito yastaka le ambulance ngasethembisa hayi ayikho lento leyo yebo ngathi boss
so grand
Brian Astibane Deben. Yeah. Astibane Deben. If kwenzeka lokho eDeben. If kwenzeka lokho eDeben, ngine right ukhola onke amasanda wena ama supporter ukuthi boycott ama game. Hayi true leadership. Once. Angeke mina ngivumela into. Enye imember lami ngihamba la branch lithi khuluma kahle ngalabantu. Angeke ngikhulume kahle ngento lengibonayo ukuthi ayikho. Exactly. Angeke ngikhulume ngento bona ngiyakho. Ayikho lento leyo. Awukhulume.
ubaba ngithi ayamalela ke lethantsho ngeke le thamene athula sineke le thamene Bon, iri ke bolela general. Sineke le thamene ke tsere tšhelete ya shebo sa beke kwa ke rata okay bulela ke latile chairman ka re chairman ke khopela tšhelete aka please ke tsere tšhelete ya shebo kwa hae ka mo ke uphile chairman listen
Get